Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you my last work. It's not a figurine, a doll, but something useful. I'm talking about my new face mold. You can see the face mold here. They are very useful because if I don't have much time for working, I can make face quickly, and it's very easy. Here there are the faces I've used as a sample. This one is a cartoon face. If you want to make doll or cartoon doll, not real figurine like this doll. Okay, and then a more realistic face. And I have two sizes, big one and smaller. If you want to make figurine like this one, and then a tiny manga face like this one, if you want to make manga figurine like my Sailor Moon. Now I want to show you how they work. Actually, they are not so beautiful, but they work perfectly, and I want to show you how they work. Okay, I want to use the realistic big face to show you well, because it's big. I'm using cold porcelain, but you can use sugar paste or other clay you want. So just put inside the clay, the sugar paste, porcelain, and press. Okay, push very well. This way, okay. And then take it out. And that's all. I have a face quickly and easy. Okay, we can also open the nostrils. One and two. Mark the mouth. But it's perfect. If you wanna create a different face, I don't know, with an open mouth, we can start with this mold and then just open the mouth in this way. And give the shape. And that's it. We can create also a sad mouth. I want to show you. Okay, perfect, as you can see. Okay, nose, and for the sad mouth, just work in this way. Okay. And need a ball tool. Okay. Mark the line between low and upper lip. And we have a sad mouth. Kiss his mouth. Just push. Okay. Gently smooth the cheeks. And then, okay, in a few minutes is ready. Just 2 minutes and our face is ready. And that's all. I hope you like my face molds. If you like my molds, put the thumb up. If you don't, thumb down. And subscribe to my channel to follow my videos if you are interested in. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.